What's the meaning of cool? Cool. Cool.
Cool. Cool. The word cool has multiple meanings, but it generally refers to something that is fashionable, trendy, or socially appealing. It can also describe a person who displays a calm and collected demeanor, or someone who is admired for their suave or sophisticated qualities. Cool can also be used in the context of temperature, referring to a moderate or refreshing level of coldness. Overall, the term evokes a sense of positive, desirable attributes that are widely valued in contemporary culture.